This is going to be a very short redstone video. It's just going to have all the basics in it on how to use like redstone dust and repeaters and all that stuff. And it's just for if you've never used redstone before or anything like that. So yeah, if you're a total redstone noob, then this is the video for you. Okay, so first things first. A redstone signal goes out 15 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And it can power things from that far away. But if you go any farther than that, the signal is cut off. This one's darker than this one. So this powers this block, which also powers this, but yeah. So it only goes 15 blocks IP redstone. If you want to extend it, you can add a redstone repeater at the end, and that renews the signal so it can go another 15 blocks. However far away 15 blocks is. Another thing is that most things don't get powered unless redstone is directly facing it, like this piston. This redstone isn't facing the piston, but if the piston were over here, it would be activated. The way to fix that is just to change the direction the redstone is facing. The next thing is the difference between sticky pistons, which are these ones with the green on it, and normal pistons. If you put a block or multiple blocks in front of a piston or a sticky piston and activate them, they'll all be pushed away up to 13, I believe. Let's check. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13. Yeah. It doesn't push away 13, but it pushes away 12 as well. Pushes away 12. Like that. And as you see here, normal pistons don't pull blocks back, but sticky pistons do. So as you can see, if you push out the sticky piston and then pull it back, it'll pull the block back with it, but the normal piston will not. The next thing here are buttons. I believe stone buttons and wooden buttons last for different durations. Like this. This is a normal stone button. This is a wooden button. Yes, wooden buttons last longer than stone buttons do. And these are all temporary, so like, as you saw there, it only lights up for as long as the button is pushed. And once you push it, it goes out after a certain amount of ticks. Same goes for the wooden button. The next thing here are the different kinds of pressure plates. There's wooden pressure plates and stone pressure plates. Both of these pressure plates can be activated by somebody stepping on them or a mob stepping on them, such as a creeper. But wooden pressure plates, unlike stone pressure plates, can get activated if you drop an item on them. Stone pressure plate doesn't activate, but the wooden one does. Let's build something very basic for one of the first things you're going to build. So let's say you want a door like this, like a doorway, where you have to step on a pressure plate or maybe pull a lever to open it. Pull a lever to open it. Let's see, you have the lever right here. You can have some redstone leading back here to where we can have some sticky pistons. What we can do is, if you have a setup like this, so it'll activate both. Something I haven't shown you yet is you can activate It's kind of like powering a block. Right now, this block right here is powered. So let's say I put a piston right here. It's going to power the piston because the block is being powered by the redstone. It's the same reason why earlier on in the video this happened. Because not only was this activated and turned on, but it was also powered, which is activating this right here. So, using that logic, you can see right here that since this redstone piece is not only climbing up to the top of this block, but it's also pointing directly at this block, which means it's going to activate this piston, while this redstone activates that piston. Which means if we pull this lever to activate the pistons, they'll both push out like this and block up the hole. Now this would not work if you used normal pistons, because like I showed earlier, normal pistons do not pull back blocks. So this is what would happen. It would close and it wouldn't open. And the only difference between normal pistons and sticky pistons in the crafting recipe is slime balls. These things. You just add them right onto a normal piston in the crafting table. Like, you know, this and then a slime ball. You know what I mean. So, this is the first basics video for my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.